Today's video is going to be a mini haul from Albertson's. I was just there yesterday and this is everything that I picked up. I will go over what I purchased. I will tell you what the price was and how much I saved. So I really hope that you enjoy this. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. My grocery hauls will always be about what I saved. I am all about saving, and this is mainly the reason why I do these hauls. I would love to introduce some of you to digital couponing. It has really changed my shopping game and I am absolutely loving it. If you are interested in figuring out how to save a little bit of money on your groceries, keep on watching. The first thing that I picked up were these canned veggies, and I got various ones. I got some diced tomatoes, some corn, some green beans, and then I also got some black beans and some pinto beans. And so those were all about, I believe, 40, let me see. So I believe these were 48 cents a piece, and I'll go ahead and put the correct price on the side of the screen here. So I picked up those, and then I also picked up some of these Kellogg brand cereals, and these were $1.67 a piece, and I let my daughter pick most of them. Here's some strawberry Rice Krispies and frosted mini wheat blueberry, and the last one is this one, and I actually picked this one. This is Raisin Bran Crunch. I thought that looked good. I also picked up this challenge butter. This was $1.88, and I was really excited to find these butters there at Albertson's. These are plant-based butters, so you can use them in vegan recipes, and I recently got a vegan cookbook. I'm going to use these butters to make whatever recipe that I'm going to be making. These were, okay, these, I believe these were about $2.74, regularly $4 or something like that. And I actually got one free. When we went to the register and we paid and got a receipt, there was a coupon on the back of the receipt for a free butter. So that absolutely made my day. I was so excited about that. So now I have 4 sticks of butter. So I have a lot of vegan recipes that I want to try, and they are particularly baking recipes. So I'm excited about this. I picked up these Yoplait yogurts, and the limit was 12. And they were 33 cents each. So I got a bunch of these. My kids are home for the summer and I want them to have a semi-healthy snack to eat. So that will be it right there. This was such a great deal. These Coffee Mate creamers, they were 74 cents a piece. How amazing is that? That was just a huge savings. I believe they're like $3.99 each regularly. So this absolutely made my day. If you look at the expiration date on the back, I believe the expiration date on these recent ones is October. So if you leave it unopened in your fridge, it'll be good for you through October if you happen not to use this quickly. The flavors that I got, this is my husband's favorite flavor, Italian sweet cream, and I got the sugar-free version, and I picked this one. This is the coconut cream, and this one is not sugar-free. The next thing that I got were these almond and coconut milks, and I needed these for smoothies. I'm trying really hard to be good this summer, and I just bought some protein that I want to use this with in the mornings. And that was pretty much all I got this week. The sales weren't as great as other weeks, but I did save $24 on this trip alone. So my total, and I will show that to you. My total was $19.40. So I got all of this for less than $20. And my savings were $24.89. So I'm happy. I'm happy with that. $24 savings is amazing. So I really hope that you enjoyed this mini haul. I know that there was not a whole lot of products that I purchased. The sales this week weren't as good as other weeks, but nonetheless, I still feel like I got some great products that I'm excited about. This one in particular. So if you enjoyed this and want to see more of my hauls, once again, they will always be about saving, because that is what I am all about. So if you want to save money with me or learn how to save money with me, I'm still in the learning process. Subscribe and we can do that together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.